Let me see if I can read it now. This is from Butang Beauty Box. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. So, if you read from the title, we have two unboxings to do. We have the Allure Beauty Box, which is $15 a month. And then we have the good old Macy's Beauty Box, which was $15 a month, which I believe a couple months ago they had stopped doing this beauty box. So, if you're wondering how I got a $15 beauty box sent to me, and if you want to see what is in the Allure Beauty Box, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's start with the Allure box. So this is a monthly subscription. This is $15 a month. You can get this through allure.com or you can get it through Amazon. I get mine through Amazon because I get it a little bit earlier. So let's see what is in here. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. I love these boxes because they're very sturdy. They remind me of the Target beauty boxes, which unfortunately is no longer either. But that's what it looks like when you open her up. So you get like a little brochure that you do every month, and then it tells you about each product. But it's like an editorial, so it's people that work there, tells you about why they chose these products and what they think about each product. But I can at least give you a price of what the full size will be. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. Not too much. Give you a little sneak peek. Okay, so let's pull out the first thing that I see. What is this? Oh, this is from Peach and Lily. So I got this in a boxycharm a few months back. This is the Glass Skin Refining Serum. And this is full size and it retails for $39. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like because I didn't finish the one that I have and I don't want to open it up. And for me, what I do, let me turn it down a little bit. Let's see if you can see it a little bit better. And I just put it on and it kind of makes my face like a little bit more shinier, you know. So I do like it actually. Alright, so really this pays for the whole box. That's one thing I like about Allure. This is one of these subscriptions that I really won't get rid of if I don't have a choice. You know, like if I have a choice to cancel or not, I would keep it because the value is always so much higher than $15 a month. And also, you get full sizes. And sometimes you get like a full size product that's valued at like $80. So this is at $40. So, and I do like that. Okay, the next thing I got is from OSHA. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. This is a cleanser. So let's see. This looks like it might be full size too. I'm not sure. It's like a glass bottle, right? Yeah, that's glass. Okay, let's see what this says. Yeah, I don't think this is full size. Full size would be $48. So I'm definitely glad to try this. I've never heard of it. Let me know if you heard of this brand before. All right, this I definitely know is not full size. This is from, I can never pronounce it. This is Dr. Jart, but it's the Cicapair. Okay, so full size will be $48. And I've used this before. This is good if you suffer from red spots or like rosacea or anything like that. You put this on and it takes away the redness. So there ain't really hardly nothing in here, but I can, it's enough for you to try to see if you like it, but I can say I really do like this. I really, really do. All right, the next thing we got, this seems like it's full size. This is from, the heck does that say? Let me get my glasses because that print is too small. Every time I put these on. Let me see if I can read it now. This is from Butang Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm, and this is like 15 or 16. $16. I love like a tinted lip balm, and I use lip balm every single day. I gotta like rip this box open. Don't you hate that? All right, so there we go. This looks familiar. Like, did I just get this? You know what? I'm not going to open this. It's taped down. I believe I just got this in subscription. I can't remember what. But that's what it looks like. Right there. And I never use this type of stuff for like your cheeks too. For me, I don't like that. I'm either going to use it one or the other. And that's just a personal preference. But I'm definitely glad we got this. So far we have 2 full-size items. All right, a few more things. So then we have this acne cover patch, and you get 8 clear patches. And I need that I have it like one right here. So I'll definitely use this tonight. It's like a little circle here, and they have different sizes, and you just put it on your pimple. So I'm glad to get that. Let's see what full size, how much it would be and how much you get. Okay, so it's on the back, and it doesn't give me a price, but it does say that full size you would get 40 patches, and here you only have 8. And last but not least, this is from Latco's. This is a charcoal pore mask. Right there. And this is for more if you have like oily skin. And this is full size for $3. So let's recap everything we got in the Allure for the July month. So we have a sheet mask. We have this cleanser right here, which let me know if you ever heard of that before. We have this Peach and Lily glass skin thingamajiggy. We have the lip balm, which I'm really excited for. I believe I got this already. And then you have the sample size acne cover patches. I definitely, and then the little sample size of the Dr. Jar, which is definitely enough for you to try it once to see if you like it. It really does work. I have the full size. So that's everything we got in the Allure box. See that what I'm saying? It's definitely worth your $15. It really, really is. All right. Let's talk about the Macy's Beauty Box. So this used to be a monthly beauty subscription. They no longer, I believe, let's see, this is July. I believe April was the last box. April or May, I'm not sure. But let me tell you how I got this. So 4th of July weekend, they had a sale, and they had like a 40% off on their beauty website. So I got a double Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and then I got some powder. And because I spent, I don't know, it was like a certain amount of money you had to spend, you were able to pick 4 different Macy's beauty boxes, which one you wanted. You could have got the makeup one, is the one that I picked. You could have got a skincare one. You could have got another makeup one that was all clean beauty, and then you could have got like a sample like perfume one. I picked the makeup one. So, and they said that this valued for $15. So it would be like a, you know, like a subscription box, how it used to be. So I don't know if this is like a prior month that they had, you know, or what, but your guess is as good as mine. We're going to see this together and see. All right, so when you open it up, the box falls apart. That's how it used to always do before. And you do have a card here, and then it's wrapped up just like old times, like the pink stuff. All right, so let me show you a little sneak peek, which this looks like a pretty good thing. Here, let me show you. Not too much. All right, so the Macy's Beauty Box would have like a little pamphlet, and what tells you what everything is on here and gives you prices if it was full size. And this is a $10 off one, but let's see what month it says. Valid in store or online for 2/28 to 4/24, 2020. So this is definitely an older box. I think that's what it was. All right, so the $10 is not valid anymore, but that's okay. So let's see what we got. So the first thing that I got is from Tony Moly. This is the Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue. And I just got this last month from a subscription. I get so many subscriptions, I forget like what I get and what. But I did actually like it, and it smells so good. So I'm glad to get this again. Let's see what it says. So full size would be, I think I got this in a glossy box last month. So full size would be a 30 count, and it would be $7. And here you only get 8 wipes. All right, the next thing is, look at this. I don't remember ever getting this before, because I would have remembered this. Because you have like an eyelash curler here. What is this? What you be? I don't even see that in here. Like, it's not here. So let's open it up and see what this is. So that's what it looks like. So it looks like an eyelash curler, and I don't know what else. Let's see. So you have 3 of these. It looks like I have these makeup erasers I always keep here so I can wipe my hands. So these are like small, I guess for your eyes to take your eye makeup off. So you get 3 of them, and then you get an eyelash curler. Okay. Yeah, I can't give you any information what the price would be or anything because it's not actually in here. And this just says makeup must-haves. Yeah, it says reusable makeup remover cloth. So I like that for your eyes. All right, love that. The next thing we got is from Tarte. So this is an Amazonian clay waterproof bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. I'm not going to swatch it. It has like a little safety seal on there because I have a full size, and I'll put this in a future giveaway for somebody that would want to try that. This is really pretty. I like that. I mean, we still have a bunch of stuff here. So here are some perfume samples. That's one thing I did like about the Macy's box. And you always got like a guy's and a girl's sample because there are a lot of people that like the men's smell or the women. So I'm glad that they do that. And this is Calvin Klein. Let's see. It says new and exclusive Calvin Klein Everyone. Full size would be 6.7 ounces and would be $80. And then this is the, what is this? Dolce & Gabbana. Full size is 2.5 ounces and $122. The notes for this is mandarin, coconut essence, and vanilla notes. Ooh, I like that. Let's see. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells delicious. That smells amazing. It's called Dose. Dose? I think that's the name of this. You know, it's from Dolce & Gabbana, but ooh, I like that. Let's see the Calvin Klein. What does that say? What are the notes on this one? Organic orange, patchouli. I'm not sure. It just says some of the notes. Let's see. Oh, that smells good too. This is a woman's scent. It's like a flowery, like floral, clean. Oh, that smells good. This kind of reminds me of the Clinique Happy. Oh, I like this too. And this is called Everyone from Calvin Klein. All right, like that. And then we have 3 more things. So then we have this Beauty by Popsugar. This is a liquid velvet lip in Very Nice. So it's like a little sample size right here. And I actually love these little sample sizes because I never go through like a full lipstick. So just to try it, I like it. And that is gorgeous. Love that color so much. I really like it. It's like a burgundy color. That's really, really pretty. All right, so we have that. So then we have from Rankin, this is the, I don't know how to pronounce that, Menzor Big. I have tried this before and I do like this mascara. Of course, this is a sample size. So I'm not going to open it to show the wand because I do have some open already, mascaras, and I don't want it to go to waste. But this right here, if it was full size, it would be $24. And this mascara, if it was full size, it would be $25. And last but not least, we have this Urban Decay Vice lipstick. And full size would be $22. And this is, what shade you be? What you be? It just says 21. Let's see. Oh, that's really pretty, the packaging. That is really nice. It's almost like the same color. Let me show you. This is like a red. So I wish it was like a different color, you know, but I mean, it is different. Like this is a red and that's like a burgundy, but you know what I mean. All right, so let's recap what I got in this Macy's box. That would have been $15. So we have this Urban Decay liquid lipstick, and then we have this other one by Popsugar. We have the Lancome mascara. What else? We have the Tarte bronzer, which even though this is a sample size, this will last you for a while. We have the sample size perfumes, and then we have the Peach Punch by Tony Moly cleansing wipes. And then you have, what was it called? Makeup must-haves, where you have 3 makeup removers, like for your eyes or whatever, and an eyelash curler. That's why I love Macy's Beauty Box. Like, I was so sad when they weren't going to do it anymore, because you always got higher end brands, you know, and then sometimes you would get full-size items, and for $15 it really was a good box. So when I seen this, I'm like, yes, yes, yes. So let me know what you think. Like I said, you cannot get the Macy's Beauty Box. They did cancel that, but do check sometimes when you go on the Macy's website, when they have a lot of sales, you know, sometimes you can get like an older box, and they're definitely worth it. But let me know what you think of the July Allure Beauty Box. I love Allure, but let me know what you think. And that is everything, guys. Please give me a like if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy unboxings. Consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. I do a lot of unboxing, mystery boxes, hauls, reviews. I do it all. So if you like what you see, make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on, and make sure you double tap it and that it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.